Good morning, friends. How are you? Today I'll talk about the General Electronics Company. The company was traded in NYSE exchange. Last few days I am receiving the mail about the General Electronics Company. What is the technical view and what is the fundamental view? Where the share is going on? What is the reason of the decline of the shares? And I analysis the 2015 to 2019 chart. The 2015 it make low the 23, and 2016 it make the low 19, and then it can touch the high of 25.26 approx, and then it can retrace up to $17. Then again it can touch high of the $20, and it can retrace up to $12.55 US dollar. Then it can touch in 2019 it can touch the $12, and it can now trading 8.80. That's the big surprising of the share, why it's decline, and the investor is very in deep fear why the share is going decline. Now I talk the technical indicator, the indicator value and the actions. RSI 14 says the 30.7.5 is sell, and stock is 9.6 is 40 sell. Stock is 14, RSI is oversold. It take bounce to 12 US dollar. MACD is sell. ATR 14 is less volatility. It means say it stock say seen less volatility, and it made up to jump 12 US dollar in coming month. ADX is 20.7 sell, and CCI 14 is say oversold. There is a 3 indicators say the oversold, less volatility and oversold. 2 indicators say oversold and less volatility. That it means that the stock retrace up to 12 US dollar. The technical indicator and Fibonacci retracement level is also saying. Then I make the Fibonacci retracement level about the 52-week high and low. 13 is the high and 6 is the low. Fibonacci 50% is retracement level 12.26, and 61 is 11, and 78 is 12.25. That means it can retrace up to it downtrend. I take the chart of Fibonacci retracement table for downtrend and how it can bounce. It's the expected bounce. It can bounce up to 11.26, 11.06 and 12.25 in coming months. So if you buy the at current level the stock, you can see the movement up to 4 and 5 US dollar in General Electronic Company. That is my recommendation, that you can buy at the current level and wait for 2-3 months. You give the stock give you 2-3 US dollar or 4-5-6 US dollar for benefit. But if you are investor, you making the long position for the stocks, the long term is the not so good seen in the stock, but there is no other option to exit the stock. So you make hold, and if you get the 20 or 25 US dollar level in coming years, because there is a lot of changes in US economy and other European countries economy, then if share bounce, you can exit from the share, because share is in downtrend and there is nothing to buy this share. The financials I show the financial statistics show the about 2015 and 2016 and 17 and 18. The 18 is the worst year, and 17 also. 2016 it made it the sales is good, but 17, 18 and 15 the bad. As same as 2018, we can see the 2019 also. So if you have trader, you can make a buy position and exit up to 12 or 13 US dollar. But if you are investor, you have to wait 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years up to coming 25 US dollar, because the if US economy is balancing and the European country is balancing, it may be bounce up to 20 to 22 US dollar, and you can exit that level, because there is no chances to come up to 50 US dollar, 60, 100 US dollar, because 25, 26 US dollar is the high, all time high of the stocks and last 5 years, and 6.60 is the 6.22 is the lowest. Though I suggest you that you can make a stop loss $6.15 or $6.10 or $6 and make a buy position for short term. You can get the prices of the 1 to 3 months in to 12 to 13 US dollar. Okay, and the current price will be bounced back up to 12.15 US dollar to 14 US dollar. The current month book profit after 2.50. If you can get the 12.50 this month or next month or coming next month, last 3 months, you can book the profit. Not wait for the quarterly result, because the quarterly result, it can decline or bounce back up to 20 US dollar. Then you can exit. That's the good time for exit for General Electronics Company, NYSC. That's the good strategy for exit. Okay, see you. Bye. Give me comment in my comment box and share, like and subscribe my channel. I give you the best strategy for the stocks. But the General Electronic company is the not good company. It's in decline mode. You can exit, and if you have the investor, you can make the wait for the jump and then exit. If you have the loss of $10,000 US dollar, 20,000, you can exit and invest in like Apple company or others, Pfizer company and Merck and company. There are good companies, and you can recover your loss in 1 year, 1 or 2 years. Okay, bye, see you. Subscribe my channel. Goodbye.